Welcome to our journey into the world of natural skincare. In a world filled with synthetic chemicals and artificial ingredients, it's time to return to the basics. Embrace the power of nature and transform your skincare routine with pure, simple, and effective DIY rituals. Let's explore how you can achieve glowing, healthy skin using ingredients straight from your kitchen. Now, let's move on to the introduction of DIY skincare rituals. Before diving into our DIY skincare rituals, let's take a moment to understand why choosing natural ingredients is so beneficial for your skin. Natural skincare products are free from harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and artificial preservatives that can irritate your skin. Instead, they harness the power of nature's most potent ingredients, providing nourishment, hydration, and protection. Using natural ingredients helps to maintain the skin's natural balance, reducing the risk of allergic reactions and sensitivity. Plus, they are often more environmentally friendly, supporting a sustainable and eco-conscious lifestyle. By creating your own skincare products, you have complete control over what goes into them. This means you can tailor each recipe to suit your skin's unique needs, ensuring you get the best possible results. Now that we understand the benefits of going natural, let's move on to our first DIY skincare ritual. Before we jump into our DIY skincare rituals, let's delve into the science behind natural ingredients. Understanding how these natural elements work can help you appreciate their benefits even more. Many natural ingredients are rich in antioxidants, which protect the skin from free radicals, unstable molecules that cause premature aging and damage. For example, green tea and berries are loaded with antioxidants that help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Natural oils like jojoba and argan oil are packed with essential fatty acids and vitamins that nourish and hydrate the skin. These oils mimic the skin's natural sebum, making them excellent for maintaining moisture balance without clogging pores. Herbs and botanicals, such as chamomile and calendula, have anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. They can calm irritated skin and reduce redness, making them ideal for sensitive skin types. Honey and aloe vera are natural humectants, meaning they draw moisture into the skin and hold it there. This makes them perfect ingredients for hydrating and healing dry or damaged skin. By understanding the science behind these natural ingredients, you can better appreciate their effectiveness and how they contribute to healthier, more radiant skin. Now, let's move on to our first DIY skincare ritual. While the ingredients we apply to our skin are essential, our overall lifestyle also plays a crucial role in our skin's health. Factors such as diet, hydration, sleep, and stress management can significantly impact the appearance and condition of our skin. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats, provides the essential nutrients our skin needs to repair and regenerate. Foods high in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables can help fight oxidative stress and promote a clearer complexion. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps maintain skin's elasticity and suppleness. Dehydration can lead to dryness and make fine lines more noticeable. Adequate sleep allows the body to repair itself, including the skin. During deep sleep, the skin's blood flow increases and it rebuilds its collagen and repairs damage from UV exposure, reducing wrinkles and age spots. Managing stress is also vital for maintaining healthy skin. High stress levels can trigger skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and regular physical activity can help keep stress in check and promote a healthy glow. By adopting a holistic approach to skincare that includes a healthy lifestyle, you can enhance the benefits of your natural skincare routine. Now, let's move on to our first DIY skincare ritual. While it's essential to choose the right natural ingredients and adopt a healthy lifestyle, consistency in your skincare routine is the key to unlocking the full potential of these practices. Just as a balanced diet and regular exercise contribute to overall well-being, a consistent skincare regime ensures that your skin reaps the long-term benefits of natural care. Using your natural skincare products regularly helps maintain your skin's health and appearance. Natural ingredients work gradually to nourish and heal the skin, so patience and persistence are crucial. Establishing a daily routine, even if it's simple, can lead to significant improvements over time. Moreover, consistency helps your skin adapt to the ingredients, reducing the likelihood of irritation or adverse reactions. It also allows you to monitor how your skin responds to different products and adjust your routine as needed. Remember, skincare is an ongoing journey. The more consistent you are with your natural skincare routine, the more radiant and resilient your skin will become. Now, let's move on to our first DIY skincare ritual. One often overlooked yet vital aspect of natural skincare is hydration. Water is the foundation of healthy skin, and ensuring your skin stays hydrated is essential for maintaining its elasticity, smoothness, and overall vitality. Hydration supports the skin's barrier function, which protects against environmental stresses and helps retain moisture. Natural skincare ingredients often work synergistically with proper hydration to enhance their effectiveness. For example, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid are renowned for their hydrating properties. Drinking enough water and using hydrating products can significantly improve the skin's texture and appearance. Additionally, incorporating hydrating masks and serums into your routine can provide an extra boost of moisture when your skin needs it most. Remember, well-hydrated skin is more resilient, less prone to irritation, and better equipped to absorb the benefits of natural ingredients. Now, let's dive into our first DIY skincare ritual. Another crucial factor that often goes hand in hand with natural skincare is diet. What we consume has a profound impact on the health and appearance of our skin. A diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help combat skin issues and promote a radiant complexion. For instance, incorporating foods high in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and berries, supports collagen production, while omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds help maintain the skin's lipid barrier. Additionally, reducing the intake of processed foods and sugars can prevent inflammation and breakouts. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water complements the natural skincare routines we discussed earlier, ensuring that your skin remains supple and resilient. Herbal teas, especially those with anti-inflammatory properties like chamomile and green tea, can further enhance your skin's health from within. Remember, a balanced diet works synergistically with natural skincare products to provide optimal results. By making mindful food choices, you can nourish your skin from the inside out, supporting its natural ability to heal and regenerate. Now, let's explore some DIY skincare rituals to elevate your routine. Today I'm sharing 5 easy DIY skincare rituals you can incorporate into your weekly routine, using simple, natural ingredients that nourish your skin without harsh chemicals. We'll cover a gentle natural cleanser, a hydrating facial oil, a soothing exfoliant, a refreshing toner, and a glow-boosting mask. These recipes work beautifully for most skin types, and I'll share a few tips to customize them if you have oily, dry, or sensitive skin. Let's dive in. Our first ritual is all about cleansing without stripping. This honey and aloe cleanser is gentle, balancing, and perfect for daily use. 1 tablespoon raw honey, naturally antibacterial and hydrating. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, which soothes redness and irritation. 1 teaspoon rose water, which refreshes and lightly tones. Combine everything in a small bowl. Massage onto damp skin using gentle circular motion. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. For oily skin, add a pinch of kaolin clay for extra oil absorption. For dry skin, add half a teaspoon of jojoba oil for added nourishment. Lock in moisture with this beautiful herbal facial oil. It's light, nourishing, and supports your skin's natural barrier. 2 tablespoons jojoba oil, which balances and mimics skin's natural oils. 1 teaspoon rosehip oil, which brightens and evens skin tone. Optional, a pinch of dried calendula petals for soothing. 2 drops lavender essential oil for calming. Infuse calendula petals into jojoba oil for 24 hours or longer, then strain. Mix infused oil with rosehip oil and lavender essential oil. After cleansing, press a few drops into slightly damp skin. For oily skin, use fewer drops and focus on areas needing hydration. For dry skin, add 1 extra teaspoon of rosehip oil for deeper nourishment. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells while keeping your skin soft. This oat and almond scrub is gentle enough for most skin types. 1 tablespoon finely ground oats, calming and anti-inflammatory. 1 tablespoon finely ground almonds, gentle exfoliation. 1 to 2 teaspoons of rose water to bind. Mix into a paste. Gently massage onto damp skin in upward circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water. For sensitive skin, skip almonds and just use finely ground oats. For oily skin, add half a teaspoon of green tea powder for antioxidant benefits. Toning is a crucial step to balance your skin's pH and calm irritation. This green tea and witch hazel toner is refreshing and pore refining. 1/4 cup cooled brewed green tea, antioxidant and soothing. 1 tablespoon witch hazel, astringent and minimizes pores. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, hydrating. Optional, 2 drops chamomile essential oil, calming. Combine ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake well before use. Mist onto clean skin or apply with a reusable cotton round. For sensitive skin, use alcohol-free witch hazel and skip essential oils. For dry skin, add 1 teaspoon glycerin for extra hydration. Finally, our pampering face mask, perfect for boosting radiance and feeding your skin with nutrients. 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, rich in healthy fats. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, brightens and reduces inflammation. 1 teaspoon raw honey, nourishes and fights bacteria. A splash of rose water, optional for consistency. Mix into a smooth paste. Apply evenly to clean skin, avoiding the eyes. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. For oily skin, add half a teaspoon bentonite clay for oil absorption. For dry skin, add half a teaspoon sweet almond oil for extra moisture. That's it for today's natural skincare rituals. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you personalize these recipes for your skin type. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more holistic skincare content, and check out my DIY skincare playlist for even more natural beauty recipes, and herbal tips. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.